Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a beautiful 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat. This comes in a beautiful metallic gray. You have a powerful 6.7 power stroke turbo diesel engine. Look, this Lariat is loaded with features. You have power locks and windows, power in and out tow mirrors. Just come up here above your head and you have a beautiful panoramic sunroof. You have built-in navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have a 360 camera system. Where's the home button? There's backup camera. It took me a minute trying to do it one-handed. Down to here and you have heated and vented seats. Here's all your climate controls. Your modes. Your integrated brake controller. Storage and USB ports. More storage over here underneath your Super Duty. Right here is for your rear power window. You have all these auxiliaries that come pre-wire for whatever you want to wire in. Man, this steering wheel just has so many buttons. It's cruise control, your menu buttons, your volume, and your source buttons, your Bluetooth. Now this 2019 F-250 does have 38,124 miles. Still under factory warranty. Now you come back here in the back seat and you have plenty of room in this super crew cab. And these seats back here are heated as well. Underneath those seats you have storage. There we go. You do have a standard bed, I'm pretty sure, for Ford. This is the standard size bed. You do have a hands-free tailgate and a button on the inside as well. It's fifth wheel Pratt. All bed line. You have this low profile hard shell bed cover. Now guys, this thing will not last long. Whenever we get a Ford F-250 on the lot, which isn't very often, but when we do, they fly off. I mean, they go so fast it barely even makes online. So the number's down in the description, so it's the website and the social media links. They're also going to be at the end of the video. So call, text me, let's work some numbers, make a deal, let's take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.